Hi guys, picked this little fella up in a charity shop the other day for 50p. Doesn't work. It should be a line follower. We got LEDs and sensors there that detect when it goes over a black line. So it should be driving one wheel to go one way, the other wheel to go the other way, or both wheels to go forwards. And it just goes one way. That wheel feels like it's still attached to the gearbox. That one spins freely. So it might be as simple as refixing that wheel, or it might be more complicated. So we'll see if we can get inside. If we're really lucky, it's just a matter of undoing those 4 screws. Put that there because it's got a magnet on it to catch the screws. It does have LEDs behind those eyes as well, so there'll be stuff that goes up there, wires. But I'm hoping that we only need to get in here to look at the gearbox. That wheel's turning and that one isn't. Well, it does a little bit. Yeah, I think it might just be that simple. It's not sticking to the shaft. On the camera, you can actually see the infrared. I can't see that, but the camera shows it. Yeah. Okay, is that going to come apart now? Nope, looks like we've got to undo those as well. At least they all look like they're the same size. Makes it easier to remember where things go if they're all the same size. Okay, wires are a little bit tight. Oh, that's annoying when it's that tight. Oh, the wheel just fell off. Let's just turn it on and see if... Yeah, that is driving quite well. It might be... Oh, there's a lot of torque there. Yeah, it might be as simple as just stick a bit of super glue in there and get it to grip on the shaft. Right. Oh, well, that'll be... Well, let's not preempt it, but that might be that simple. While we got it partially apart, trying not to stretch any of the wires. Let's see if we can get in focus. So we got one motor there, and we got another one facing the opposite way. And then I expect we've got a reduction gearbox there on both sides, driving each wheel individually. That's the circuit board with the LEDs and the sensors on it, but the control board must be right up inside. So we'll just try a little bit of glue, super glue on there, pop it back on and hope for the best. Right, super glue, a kicker, that makes the super glue go off extra quick. And if we spray a bit of that on the shaft and then put the super glue on there, as we push it on, it should stick. So that's that. Okay, what we don't want to do is stick the wheel to anything else other than just the shaft. Oh, it's very loose on there. Just don't want to stretch those wires or they'll all break and then we're going to end up trying to solder things back together. Right, both sides turning. I'll go and get a black line. Right, obviously I haven't put all the other bits back on there. We'll just see if it actually works. He didn't turn quite quickly enough. Let's give him a fair chance. Well, it's doing better than it did before. All right, let's try my other track. I was hoping we could use that one because it sits on the table. All right, we'll give it a try on that one instead. Oh, lost it. Lost its way. Does all right if the lines aren't too tight. Oh, that's good. That is really good. If you saw the previous video, I did show you I'd also got this one. In fact, I've got, oh, hang on. Back on track. Yeah, I've got several, or I've had several over the years. This one I got out when that one didn't work, and this one didn't work either. And I've tried fixing it, but it's got broken gears, and I don't think I'll be able to get the gears to replace the ones that are broken. So that's a different video. I'll put a link to that in the video description. Yeah, that gets a little bit confused with those crosses. How about a little circle in the middle? Can you go around in a small circle? Oh, yeah. All right. Bigger circle. Try that the other way around. No. No, it tends to turn left better than turn right from the looks of it. As you can see, I played this game before. Right, well that was it. A bit of super glue and we fixed it. So I will put all the bits back on. So he's got his arms back on there and fake caterpillar tracks. And we got a worker. Oh, that was another one I drew with a thinner line on it. It's wobbling around a bit more because the line's a bit thinner. We'll try that the other way round. No, it doesn't turn right tightly enough, does it? Okay. Anyway, we'll put it back together. Back together. So, I'll give it another run. Oh, it's lost it. We were doing all right up until then. Try again. It's not doing it now. It's lost it. It's the right turn. It doesn't do a right turn very well. No trouble with the left turn. Well, that'll do. I'm not going to worry about it anymore at the moment. If I cover that sensor, that wheel stops. If I cover that sensor, that wheel's not stopping. Yeah, we'll leave that for another video. We'll take it apart and see if we've got faulty sensor or broken wire. It's quite possible the wire's come loose while I've taken it apart and put it back together again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.